Are you looking for a fun way to reveal your cover? Check out this fun Instagram idea that both Panther Creek and Southern Lee High School are showing us that they've done in the past, and it worked well for them. Okay, so this is your Instagram feed, and each one of those is a different post. So show me how that works.
I don't remember how we did it.
So click on one of them to open it. So here is one post, and you posted them in the right order
So that they align.
So that they align. So this is how you revealed your cover to the student body?
Yes.
So how did you decide when to post another one?
We posted them within the same class period, but we did like a countdown to when we were going to reveal our cover on Instagram.
So a little along you would add another post, and with nothing between them, then as a whole they created your cover.
Yes.
That's genius. What's the hardest part?
Getting them to align together.
Okay, so you got to practice that, huh?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So you get a tile pick,
Okay.
and then, yes, create tiles. And then if you want to do all 9, you'll just,
We kind of prioritize like taking in what you guys are talking about and working. We're gonna crowdsource that with the staff tomorrow. Okay. That was a very good idea. Thank you.
So then it downloads it as each individual.
and then you upload it backwards.
Upload it backwards. Okay.